everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I will be showing you a review and swatch of Modelones Polygel kit, and this is the big box. As you can see, it's a really large box. I can hardly fit in the camera, and here it says Modelones Nail Gel Extension Builder Enhancement Kit. So when you open the box, that's what you see in the box here, and this is the whole kit they have given. I'm gonna go through each one of them and show you guys what's inside this kit, and everything I will mention in the description box, the direct link, my discount code. So let's see what's inside here. So first of all, this is their 100/180 grit nail file, which is a very good handy file. So next one here is their brush and picker. So they have given in this plastic wrapping, which is great. So one side is the spatula, and if you open the other side, it's the brush. That's a very nice soft brush. Okay, so now are these plastic forms, dual forms. I'm gonna open them. So these are 12 sizes. It's from 1 to 12. So 1 being a bigger form and 12 being a smaller form. And here they've also given a free gift, which they have more forms here. So this is their poly nail gel kit instructional manual. So here they have given a step-by-step instructions how to do these polygel nails. So here's another card, and it says need help, contact to their support team. And here's another card here, so that's very nice of them. They have given these glitters, which is a very pretty blue glitter. You can see, really pretty glitter. And the next one is some rhinestones. I've got some rhinestone. And this one is their sip solution, and I believe it's rubbing alcohol. And these are their base coat and top coats. I really like the packaging of these bottles. It looks so pretty, and these are 10 ml. So now are the polygels. I just noticed that they have numbers here, which is 001, 002, 003, 004, 005, 006. So they have put the numbers here. So the first one is called Pure White, and these polygels are 15 grams. So they are a little smaller, on the smaller side. And here they have sealed the bottles, so you take these out. So the next one they have given is soft pink. Third one is called light pink. Fourth one is called light apricot. Number 5 is nude. And the last one is here called temperature change color. So this changes color. So now I'm gonna do a little swatch of these and show you guys how they look. So here I've got my swatch stick, and this is a tapping dish. I'm just gonna add some slip solution. So basically, yeah, you just shake it and it just comes out just a little bit. So I've got my liquid here, and this is the brush I'm gonna use to swatch them. So the first one I'm using is called Pure White. So I'm just gonna remove this. So just like that. As you can see, it's pure white. So now, as the instruction says, you have to apply a base coat first before you apply a polygel. And look at the brush, guys. The brush is really wide and big. I really like it. Apply base coat just like so, and curing it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So now I'm going to grab the white polygel on my spatula, just like so, and just slice it. And I'm just gonna place it over here, dip the brush in the slip solution, and if it's sticky, you need to apply a little bit more. And the good thing about polygel is that you can take as much as time you want, because it doesn't dry out or it doesn't run. It will only cure in the lamp, and as well it will just stay there. And if your brush is sticky, you can always dip into the alcohol or slip solution, and yeah, like it will stop sticking. And as you can see, the finish, it's so smooth now. So I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So it's all cured now and it's a little sticky. So I'll just wipe it with some alcohol to remove any stickiness. And I'm going to just file the top layer because it's not very smooth. As you can see, it's a little bumpy and not shaped properly. So I'll just use the file that they have given. I'll use the softer side, which is the 180 side, and just file the top layer. So now I'm just going to clean the nail with some alcohol, just like that. And now I've got their top coat. So that's the brush for the top coat. It's really nice. Just apply the top coat. And cure it for 60 seconds in LED lamp. So now it's cured, guys, and when I touch it, it's not sticky at all. So that means this top coat is a non-wipe top coat, which is amazing. It doesn't say on the bottle, but this top coat is non-wipe top coat, which is amazing, and don't have to wipe later on. So yeah, this is their pure white 001. It was very opaque and it was easy to apply on the nail. So now I'm going to do the swatch for other nails and show you the result in the end. So the next one I have here is called Soft Pink 002, and it's a very pastel-y pink color, really pretty one. Next is 003, and it's called Light Pink, and it's a very sheer pink color, like almost translucent. This one is 004 Light Apricot, and it has a little peachy tone to it. So yeah, really pretty one. Next is 005 Nude, and this has a more brownish tone to it. And yeah, it's a very nice coverage if you just want nude polish. You don't have to put any other polish on top. So the last one I have is 006 Temperature Change Color. So this one changes color. As you can see, this is light pink now. So when I put it in the lamp, it turned white. So let's do that. Let's put this in the lamp. So I just cured this in my LED lamp with the top coat, and as you can see, it turned white and it was pink before. So let's add some alcohol, spray some alcohol, or you can dip it into the water. So I'm just going to spray some alcohol, and as you can see, it's turning into pinks. So it's so much fun. So slowly turning into the pink. So yeah, that's how they change color, guys. So I'm really liking this effect. So yeah, guys, these are the final swatches of Polygel from Modelones, and they're really pretty colors. They have all neutral shades here, from white to color changing gel. They were very easy to apply, and with the alcohol or the slip solution, it's very easy to maneuver the gels. So I'm really happy with their consistency and their product application. And everything I'll mention in the description box, including my coupon code, which you can use in the end when you purchase their product. So yeah, that's all for the review, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this review and swatch of Modelones Polygel kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.